I got a thing. It's a thing. It's in a box still. It's a music thingy. Um, I see the little squares. You poke them, and then it makes noise. And we gotta hook it up to a computer though. It's a controller. This thing was like 75 cents, so couldn't resist. It's a good deal on Amazon. I'm gonna crack this thing open. Oh, what the heck is this? Cool. Sorry, I shouldn't be showing feet for free. You got a cord, the MIDI 3.5 out to whatever the hell the fuck are these? Yep, that's what they are. This thing is powered by like USB-C because like I don't know who does that or whatever. It's weird. Oh, I can connect this thing to my phone and stuff. That's pretty sick. They have like a thingy-mabob that like connects to like the. Let me show you the thingy-mabob. Look, peep this. See that little thing? Just like slide that into my telephone. I don't know. I have like one hand to like record and like, oh god, I'm gonna dox myself. Like the other hand to like perform surgery on the box. I don't really want to destroy the box. It's kind of a pretty box. I got a thing for boxes. I have boxes. Okay. Wait, I think I got this. I'm gonna dox myself again. Oh, if I use my feet. Oh, can't be. Whatever. You guys can see my feet. Oh. I just like pulled everything out but the actual thing. You got the user manual though. This is like super suspenseful, like it's staying in there. Very cool. English, Francais, Dutch, Italiano, Espanol, and Hongyachong. Welcome to DUNNN. We are grateful to have you purchasing our product. Oh, so sweet. Please take a few minutes to read the instructions for operating, which will show you how to underestimate me. We're almost there. Oh, we did it. We succeeded. We have our device. The DUNNN Starry Pad. Pads on this are smaller than the ones on my... Nope, they're actually like... Ah! 1 second, I'm gonna get my keyboard. Oh, they don't suck. They're definitely smaller than the ones on my keyboard. This is my keyboard. It's SSE49. Video size limit almost reached. Capture stops. Jeez, I must not have much space on my phone. Here we have a little control. This is it. We got controls, a button, play button, This is like, so each of these you can assign to a different sound, then hit them. Gonna make the sound, and depending on how hard you hit them, make the sound louder or harder. This is a really cheap version of this. These are usually like twice this price, and the ones that are twice this price usually aren't even that good. So I took a gamble with this, but the reviews were all like not bad. So I was like, whatever. Let's see what's up. I always wanted this kind of thing. This one's a little smaller than I expected, but I'm happy. I'm kind of glad that it's smaller, to be honest. I was like comparing it to like this. I expected it to go out to here in my measurements, I think. So I clearly did something wrong when I was calculating the centimeters. Faders feel nice. You like switch. So like 2, they control one thing, another thing, they hit this. Then they would control something else, and switch right back. thing I'm most excited about is that I can like just play and record from here. I can like hook up my keyboard and this, and like just like set up my sounds on the computer, and then like just stop using my computer. I'm gonna get a better keyboard today, so I'll also like show off because you know, cool. Worked hard for this stuff. This was basically a gift though. Some like a nice old lady gave me $50. And I wrote her a thank you letter. I'll do that soon. Let's hook this thing up. Just look at this, okay? I plug it in. Quick. Of course, doing things with one hand is like super difficult. But like, oh my god. Like, oh. How do you not like want to bust right when you see that? Okay, I need to hit a little bit harder than that. Okay, cool. I think if it was on a flat surface, it'd be doing a lot better than my knees. Cool, cool, cool. And switch the pad bangs. Oh, changes their color too. Sick. Red, green. It's very green. Looks very aqua, but it's literally green. It's like as green as it could possibly get. I don't know what the heck. My camera clearly has color blindness. Play button, record button, shift button. You can like tap the tempo for a note repeat. Like do 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 do. Yeah, you hit the note repeat and then like it'll like repeat the note. Shift. Actually don't know what just happened there. Oh, cool, cool, cool. I'm like just like changing them by like rows. Just super, super cool. It's really useful. That's a lot of really useful stuff. This full level button takes away the velocity sensitivity or how hard you hit them. These are just regular buttons for like buttoning. Faders, you can like change faders, knob banks too. These are fully 360 potentiometers. Go all the way around. Slick. Now what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna like hook this up to like my computer. I mean, it's already like hooked up, but like actually hook it up so it like make sound, and then I'm gonna connect my Bluetooth speaker. That's gonna be garbage because my Bluetooth speaker has a delay and this cord has a delay, so everything I hit is gonna be like a solid half a second off. But for the sake of the coolness, I'm just gonna do that. Officially connected to the main frame. We got the ability to both hit the play button. That didn't actually work. Record button didn't actually work, so obviously I have to do some more stuff to get that to work. The no repeat button. I have to hold it down. No repeat button sucks. I think it would at least allow you to like hit it once and then like, you know, that'll be it. But nope. Okay, anyways. There's like no like, if you want the velocity to work, then probably don't like hit it like a drum. Just like tap it. Because there's a lot more control. Back with more video space next to it. Let's see what we can do here. Where's my kick at? somewhere here. Guess that's it. Should be able to change the sounds just by doing this. Some sounds only play at high velocity. It's the nature of the kit, and this is just not assigned to anything. I guess I should have like set this up a little bit better. I just kind of plugged it in to like a random drum kit, and I was like, whatever, we'll figure it out. There's gotta be something wrong. Okay, it can't go any lower. I go higher. I think actually my kick is set to like C3. Oh, this is C3. This is a really snary kick. Okay, the velocity definitely needs work. And probably do something about that real quick. I feel like DJ Khaled playing the guitar right now. Yeah, I hear the delay. Smack, sound. Smack, sound. Smack. Yeah, it's pretty. Makes for interesting. I guess I'll just like get good at this thing and like figure out how to actually use it and then like come back. But this is a pretty good introduction to like this thing. I'm gonna master it and then shall update.